now she's frolicking and,
back in January, we had a thing with her where she came down. There was a couple, it was really a week. We finally had to, get on antibiotics and the whole thing. And yeah, it was like being a baton death march. She would barely move forward.
You can usually tell when they're not feeling well. They just...
Oh yeah, she's telegraphing.
It's so funny. They all.
Tessa's have a little more, definitely the teeth are a little more advanced.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's funny, my little puppies, their eyes are just open, they're 3 weeks old, and they're just starting to bark like that, like a little, and they kind of want to wrestle, but they're still tottering on their legs.